Alright guys, yo, welcome to the stream. We got two guests today. We got Alpet and Middleton is about to come on soon. He's just finishing up and getting his food ready for the stream. I think he's about to be hunting for some longs and maybe find some shorts to hedge with it. Now today we're basically going to be talking about Bitcoin, the market movers, Ethereum, USDT dominance, Bitcoin dominance, the usual stuff. DexC, there is an important move which I want to show you guys all today, so please stay on the stream. And yeah, we'll go from there. Let's go. What's going on today on the market? Yo, Peter, you don't have to hide no more, bro. Wait, you still there, man?
Yeah, I'm still there.
Oh, my man. All right, let me send now I can get sending on some links. I gotta send some links. Here we go. There. At least we start the stream right. I don't feel okay if I don't have an opening. Here we go. Here we go. There's the link. The link. All right. Now. This is interesting. This is very interesting. So we seem to bounce at the last point here, which is 25,803, which I think we have a possibility to bounce to a max pain for bears, or maybe max pain for bears 27,100 here at the Monday high, this current week Monday high. We still have a long way to go for bulls who's been bidding at this level. We got a big black candle that was a result of the FOMC minutes, which was bearish. We got the AI post today, which showed an explosion at the Pentagon, which is pretty crappy. I mean, I'm not really keen about that, but hey, it's given us some entries. This was the stream taken BTC long yesterday. Whittleton took this long, and he had a stop loss of underneath there. It's not even a big stop loss. It's a 3.91 stop loss. Bravo to anyone who's taken it. Now, just quickly, let's look at Ethereum. Now we tested the range support here between 1760 to 1780, which we bounce quite aggressively actually. Now we are looking at retesting this diagonal support and also the bottom of the Kumo cloud of the Ichimoku system. And if we're gonna move, it has to move now. Otherwise, we're just gonna dump one more time. Just a one like black candle again, taking out these lows, maybe. USDT dominance, beautifully reacted on this level, which I'm after a very long time. Okay, and I believe that was the SVB event, I guess. The dump that was there, and we started rallying again. Now, if we did an inverse of this, this would look like the Bitcoin, sort of the Bitcoin crypto movement here. Okay, we're still in range, so there's no need to get too bullish to bearish here. We just have to play the levels, I guess. We got Bitcoin dominance moving down here, as I'm about to show you. We are looking quite good with this potential breakout of Ethereum Bitcoin. Now Ethereum needs to like reclaim this diagonal support. Now if we were to reclaim this level, it would be great, like very good, because quite frankly this would mean that this would finally break out, and this, if breaks out, this would give us a lot of people bidding Ethereum, and when they bid Ethereum, well, you know, they will have to eventually sell into BTC, which is fantastic for everyone here. I guess now we can. Now we got all that out of the way. Oh, one more thing. I got to talk about three more charts, and then we can get on with our usual hangout and whatnot. Yesterday, we saw this live on stream. It done a huge dump there, and after that, it pulled back up immediately, causing a fake out. But this is the most noticeable one here. This is huge. Like if Nasdaq keeps running here, it's pretty
Will it
good,
be a bull
man.
market?
Nasdaq's been in a bull market, bro, since here. Like if you want to look at it from here, Nasdaq's been running like since 1171. Like it's been running since January, bro. It's already done 20%. Now, what I want to see is this level, okay, continuously like hold up, which it dumped yesterday, right? And it got faked out, and now we're above it again. Anything above this gray line, we continue to party. Anything above this box, we keep going, man. I really want Nasdaq to keep running here. So, what do you think of this, right? Like you tell me. We got the rate hikes. That was on the FOMC minute. The market doesn't care, man. This is it. This is the de-risking for FOMC. Okay, this was the de-risking. This is expected. Like they know that. Like it's priced in. We know that the rate hike is gonna happen, but they're still bidding. As a matter of fact, like we knew that the hikes were still gonna happen. Like around here, we know that, but we're still rallying, and this is Nvidia driven as well.
I sent you a video, but on Instagram where JP Morgan is telling their clients to buy the VIX.
The volatility index.
Yeah, because they reckon it's going to get volatile.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Volatile which way?
I think they're doing a 4.
There.
Well, the video went up because they were up. Their earnings were up 110% or something.
Yeah, bro. Like it rallied a little bit. It rallied like what, 25 points, I think. Give me a second. How many points did it run? Like pre-market? I don't even have access to CME. Like I don't care. Pre-market, right? Like pre-market, which is here. 25 points, around there. Yeah. When did it open? Pre-market here. Where's the gap? Here. This is the market. Hang on. That's not it. That's not it, Chief. Here it is. Yeah, it peaked. Yo.
But the reason why they're saying to buy the VIX is because of the debt ceiling that's going to happen soon next week.
Which means you speak to me in fundamentals, man. You're talking to TA guy here.
Well, it's just pretty much going to be volatile because like they think they're going to run out of cash by June, right? Which means there's going to be huge volatility in the market, like because they would need to figure out ways to obviously reduce the debt ceiling or reduce the debt.
By Bitcoin?
No, just the big. But then, yeah, I guess that will cause volatility. The market could just go either up or down.
Wow, who said this?
No, it's just logically speaking, right?
Nah, as in like who said buy VIX?
JP Morgan.
Fuck, JP Morgan. Well, we can't fade JP Morgan, or can we? I mean, they got one of the best like hedge fund managers. Who am I speaking here as you know, just a little humble streamer talking shit every day. Middleton, are you still eating, my bro? Look at your
Yeah.
lung, bro.
Hey guys, hey guys. Yeah, I'm good.
Hey,
I'm good.
good.
I mean, hello, guys.
How's your leg, bro? You feeling better?
I don't know. I don't worry about it now. I'm worried about my food. So, but
It's
yeah,
all
yeah,
about the market.
Well,
it's a little bit better.
let's take a look at some. I've already talked about the major market movers. Um, I guess now we just talk about some coins. Anything that we want to look at, anything that's anything that's good. You know, everyone on this stream right now went long. Whittleton went long, man.
Yeah.
I was long since up here for educational purposes, man. Since 37 too. Well, that's okay. I'm here. My purpose on my challenge account is to teach, but my derivatives account don't really wanna. I feel like I wanted to start deploying spot here, just defending these positions, but like, how much money do I have? Not so much.
I see the big hug is helping BTC.
The big hug.
Yeah, the big hug I gave him yesterday.
Just for your information, you took the. I think you took it here, man. You took it around here, wasn't it?
No, let's see.
26.3 was your entry,
I'll check it now.
or was it 26.300? I remember it was just before I got stopped, but then I took out my stop. Remember?
Oh.
That was funny.
Oh, my entry is on 26,308.
308. What a boss.
26,308.
And then I drew this line as well yesterday, and I said that's where we're gonna top up, and the entry is now here. That's what I said. Our long's doing good, man. Like, you know, Alpet is saying that 26,400 is too much to ask for, bro. I think we swing long this bad boy. We swing
So
long.
I got stopped out at 25, and I was like, fuck that.
25.8 was it?
Yeah, 25.8.
It didn't even make the lower low, bro. Like, it didn't even make 25,800, my G. It went to like 25,877. People are front
Yeah,
running
8,
everyone.
8. But yeah, I had a pretty high leverage, so
That's okay. You're not trading. You're not day trading yet. It's just, you know, you're on holidays. Have some fun. Do a little bit of trading here and there. Now,
well, I made my money back.
yeah, make it back in one trade. Now, this is it. This is it, man. Like, I'm looking at this is like all eyes, to be honest, not on BTC.
On
This is like one thing. Like, it's forming. Let's just move this apart here, right? Just remember this number, 26.98, which was the entry. Yeah, around there. Now, it's being supported by 25,700. Don't know why. It's holding. I'm happy it's holding. This is our next support, 25,200. And then we lose that previous range high. I'm shorting all the way down.
Wait, at 25.
At 25,200 acceptance below, like acceptance daily, like 2 days in a row. Any move up, I'm shorting. Because it's very simple. Let's turn off this momentum based system here. This was the previous range high. Okay, this is previous range low. Right here. Right here. This is where I'm shorting to. I'm just gonna mark it out here. This is where I call quits, man, on longs, and then I'll just play what the market gives me. But this is what I feel. That's it. Otherwise, it is potential that it could still bounce on the weekly conversion. What's the weekly conversion like? The weekly conversion? The weekly conversion, okay. New support, Middleton. It's 24,408 and 24,058. And this is the new ceiling. Now, here's the thing, guys. This is curling. This is going down, which means that this, like you said, VIX volatility. The VIX is a big move is about to happen, right?
No.
Bitcoin sees that as well. Let me show you. See this on the daily? It's curling.
What am I looking at?
The conversion, the blue line.
Right.
Okay.
Oh, it's gonna cross over.
This is the weekly. Just look at on the weekly. We are still in an uptrend. So, how can we be bearish? I just want to know, like how am I bearish here? Max pain 24 here. If we drop, we're dropping here, but that's when we, anytime you hit a weekly conversion in an uptrend, that's where you buy spot. That's my rule, no exception. That's where I'm waiting. So it's in line with this, like with this level here, like that maybe. This is the range. This is the spot buying session, anywhere between here. The reason why I said if we accept under 25,215 on a 2-day candle that looks like this, one, and then like this, like two candles, like two fat candles, like this, and that's when I call overs, like that. But if it has a wick, like this, hang on, let me just draw another one. If it has a wick like this, like, that's not enough for me. That's not acceptance. I'd have to see like two proper like fat ones. This is what I think the movement is gonna be. Maximum. But the question is, if we don't do this movement right now, like if we just don't touch that right now, okay, and actually go the other way, like if we go up here like this and we don't close above 31,300, hold on tight. It's just gonna do this. I'm not even exaggerating. I wish I am. The reason why, okay, if we were just to go up here like that, okay, there would be a lot of longs on futures that are just like piling up, pile up, and it would lead to a movement like this. This is just like distribution and leverage longs being liquidated here. This movement is shorts being liquidated. Look, they're shorting at range high. This keeps moving high. So now in theory, that if it keeps going up like this is shorts being liquidated, and then just like the big alpha bear will just do this. And Riddleton loves this theory that there's always someone out to get your position, which is true. He's not wrong. Like this. like this, like straight up, like without breaks. Looks like a mountain. It's happened before. Don't believe me? Look at this. Looks very similar to the current move. Top and whack. So.
But the consensus is at 25,000, right?
The major consensus is 25. So I don't like. I want to. That's why my stops are just under 25. Like even at 25, like I may just like take off my stop, like take out my stop loss and just keep topping up. Like keep going balls deep and just aim for this, aim for the roof. Because I'm looking at weekly only at the moment for direction. This is the real direction. Until we break underneath.
I'm back, Pams. I'm back.
Yeah, bro.
Where we
Now, where are we at, man? This is where we at. This is weekly. We're in an uptrend, yeah? The major consensus is at 25k with a conversion underneath there. But I think those guys are going to be like bidding spot and futures. There's going to be like a big fight there. But if we hit 24 first, I think it's pretty healthy. But if we just go up from here, this is what I said to Alpet before. If we just go up from here, there will be a big move down.
Why is
But
that?
because there will be a lot of leverage longs that are built up. We haven't flushed out enough longs. There's still people longing.
Oh,
Like there's still
we
people
talked about
like
it.
there's still there's still people that are in. It's just usually how the market moves. And I remember Alpet was asking me, how do you know when to short? How do you know when to long? And it's
I'm
simple.
asking my question myself as well sometimes. So,
It's very simple. Let's just look at the ES chart for a minute.
that can turn you down when you like put along and then it goes the other way, but you did everything right. So
And
like you miss one thing, it can blow your head off. Like you
absolutely,
get upset about it.
absolutely. And what happened to the bears yesterday? The Nasdaq bears. What happened to them here? You tell me what happened here. You're very well trained in traps right now. Tell me what happened here, Whittleton.
What do you mean? By like fundamentally, or are you talking about
What happened in this chart here?
what happened in the chart?
Yeah, give me a second. Let me draw a picture. I think you know how to answer this. Okay?
This is the Nasdaq, right?
Yeah. Look at this uptrend. What happened to these guys, man? You know this.
Wait. Yeah. Like they getting out like they trying to get out some stops.
Yeah, this is a short. This is a stop hunt.
Yeah.
That's the technical side of things. I don't know what news happened, and quite frankly, that's Alpet's specialty. He knows this fundamental shit. Like I don't. Now this.
Oh, it was like cloud like went thicker at the point of this candle that you marked.
Now this is what I think happened, my bro. Okay,
Something fundamental you say that
there
happened
was
in
this is fundamental. You actually was away. Like this is a de-risking here. Okay, and this is during the speech. I think what happened yesterday was everybody everybody went short here. We saw this live, and everybody went short. Like they went heavy short. And then what happened?
yeah,
what happened? The buyers were still stronger. Like the buyers were still strong, right? It forced the market just to like take a shit like the other way, right? Now, back to the question: how do you take a short or a long, right? You see this short, okay? You can't just keep shorting, and you can't just keep longing, right? There has to be directional. You have to have invalidation. Now, what happened to these guys here? They saw this, and they got horny. This is exactly what happened to them, and I know them, and I know exactly what they did. Because this is what I would do if I was a normie, right? This would be the target. It would be the dream. Yes, beautiful. Now there's different types of people. Okay. I'll start with the retail side of things. You get people that are less technical. Okay. They just want a quick win, and this is exactly what they did. I know this is exactly what they did, because normally what people would do is they draw this line. Break of support, clear, underneath, candle, good confirmation, yeah? Short, no one took profit. And instead of taking profit, they just bought. Like people buy them out. Now, that's the first stop loss. Now, there is also another person that shorted. Okay? Now these guys got stopped out and the price moved up. Now that is a liquidation cascade. Short. The same people that shorted here, okay? But their stop loss was here. I'll show you. This is their stop loss. You're being hunted. We're trapped.
This shot would be nice if this big candle was
Right.
a retest on the line and we have a continuation down.
And I want to show you where we can do it properly. Yeah? The safe way. And Whittleton is actually very, very, very good at this. Like, without even me telling him this. Like, he was always shorting properly. Now, the best way to short is waiting for these guys here. 1, 2, and one more. One more. We still got one more stops to take out. There's still this guy here. Now, if this price moves up a little bit more, okay, these guys are forced to do one thing. Now, this is the moment of truth for Nasdaq. Can they win this? Can the bulls win this? These guys are about to get stopped out, man. Like, their stops are here.
So you can see a support line there. Also
Yeah.
resistance.
For Biz. So these are the people. This guy's dead. He's finished. He's underwater. If anything, he took out. If anything, one or two things happened. This person went balls deep and got liquidated, which caused this candle to move up. Okay, which forced this guy out. And now what's gonna happen? Is this person gonna defend himself or not? The best way to short is finding, after all these guys get done, okay, you look for another way. There's never the right way, really. Like, but what in my experience of being liquidated a lot in the past and still getting stopped out now, you want to see proper move down. Okay, like, is there
So where would you put
even
your price?
what was that?
Where would you put the entry price then?
I'll show you. First of all, before you find an entry, you need to find an invalidation point. Without an invalidation point, you have no entry. When we want to first find out, in order to find out an entry, it also needs to be paired with invalidation. You need to know your entry and invalidation. Once you have those two, you find your exit. That's it. So you can't just find an entry point because the price is up. or you can't keep shorting because it's low. There needs to be proper invalidation. If you want to short here, fine. Make the stop loss like Middleton up here. But that's too high, bro. It's too high. Like a lot of people say that, oh man, your stop loss are so high. So
I
what?
wouldn't put short in this way, to be
Huh?
honest. I will wait to be a few candles down
Yeah.
to touch the support, to touch the support, bounce down a little bit. A few candles of confirmation, then I put my big stop loss.
Yeah. And I respect that. And I respect that. There's no shame in having a big stop loss. Believe me, you just reduce your position size. A high conviction trade with a high win rate is better than having a low win rate with big wins. It's better to have small wins that compound and you hit your target and you don't get invalidated. Okay? That's what I like about you the most. You have that patience in shorting. Now, let's go to your XRP trade. I remember when I'll show this up live, and I'm sure he'll be proud if I show him this. There was a moment where Whittleton was shorting Solana here. Now he knows.
Right. We're still on Nasdaq hill.
Is it still loading?
I see Solana. I think it's the.
Don't look at YouTube. It's lagging. Now this is I want to show you where Whittleton used to short back then. That's okay, yeah, bro, for educational purposes. You there?
Yeah.
Yeah, Whittleton. Now, even if his trade, this is where Whittleton short. I'll show you right now. I remember this. Okay, he shorted here. He shorted here, a few candles down. I don't know what his aim was. He closed his short, even if his trade actually went right eventually. But he had a
I don't
9.
remember.
Right? I remember it. That's how much I remember like people's trades. Not like it's because you had an intention of learning. So I give you that courtesy of that, you know. Now, and I remember on that stream. On that stream, I drew this box as well. And I said, bro, to be honest with you, that's a good short right there, but your stops is a little bit wide, which means it's still a valid play, but you need to add to your shorts up here to even out your entry to at least halfway. Now, if this trade, where I would have shorted, was this. I would have shorted a little bit after the breakdown on 2 reasons. I wanted to see this trend breakdown. 1 candle, 2 candle. I need to have 2 higher lows. 1, 2, 1, 2, invalidation, boom, go in and put your stop loss high here. 2 systems you can do. You can put it on previous resistances on shorts, or you can put it on top of the Kumo cloud.
I like more the way you put the trade on Solana here. Make more sense. I don't know what I did the previous trade, but
that's okay.
This one.
Bro, that was you like 1 week, 2 weeks into training with me.
yeah, I even didn't know it will bounce bounce up like this.
And do you want to know another good trade this is after Whittleton started training and properly reading the Ichimoku system. I'll show you another trade that he did good, which I got shaken out. Me, the person who showed him Ichimoku, I got shaken out myself. Look at his trade. On stream, we had a chat about this.
Oh,
Yeah? Remember? This major breakdown? Yeah?
yeah.
How do I do this? How do I do the replay? Okay. Now, this was the position. We enter here. I said, bro, this is a breakdown. And then we enter our position here. It's a swing short. Okay. And then the next day, man, the market was green, bro. I was fuming, man. And I closed it, and I got stopped out of IXP or ICX. What was it?
ICX, I think.
Yeah, I got stopped out of ICX. And look what happened. Look what happened. It was sensational, and I could have just and I had this box here for a very long time to top up my short. Ready? I'll show you on this chart. Where's the play button? How do I play this button? Play?
I don't even know.
Oh, fuck.
Plays at the bottom.
I'm
At the bottom.
Plays at the bottom.
Go down. Yeah. Go down.
Here.
nice. Yeah.
This is what happened to this trade. He went the fucking other way, and I was upset, bro, by myself, right? And he hit the first one there. Look, you could have shorted there, and you could have shorted here. You could always short, bro. I just need you to learn to accept a wider stop loss at a lower risk. Okay, and he finally dropped, boom. And now this would have moved up halfway. It's a beautiful trade. So I think we faded our own idea, huh?
You can speed it up if you want. You have
How do I?
alarm down.
This one?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Ah, there we go. Okay. Like this. Motherfucker, look at this trade. It was perfect. It didn't like... Motherfucker. What is this?
Hold down.
A fucking 10% row. It goes to show the market shakes out everyone, and it doesn't matter how good or how bad you are. And I would have made it like risk free after we broke down here. This is for your information. On this break, I would have made it risk free like that. This is with the Whittleton trades, boys.
Now I got a thing with the AV. AAV.
What is it?
I placed a short on AAV.
Ave?
Yeah.
Let me see.
I'm sorry, I'm about to place the short, but I'm place the idea on the chart. This is small scalp for me, because I don't like the chart on the daily and on the 8 hours.
We shorting Ave? Come on,
No, I
man.
posted.
We're shorting Ave now. Alright. Let's go. Where are we going though? Now this is the plan, yeah? Let's do this together step by step. In order to find an entry, we also need to find a exit, yeah? And like an invalidation. If you're shorting here, where's your exit?
We played the trade in the hourly with 1 hour. So something I'm not lost even today.
You're not swing short?
No, I'm not extreme with that. It's gonna be like a day and a half, a day.
Yeah. Hey, come closer, bro. Like you're a bit far away.
Oh, I said I'm planning to exit the trade even today, like in a few hours. Not something that I'm planning to hold for a day.
Like this?
I will tell you just my entry. My entry is at 63.3. My profit is on 60.07.
6. You said your entry?
Oh, my entry is 63.3.
Beautiful. Don't worry about the stop loss. That's irrelevant. Now, where are you exiting?
At 60.07.
6007. Okay, 6007. Let me see. Let's review that together. That's beautiful. See? Now, you can scalp this like this on the hourly. Ichimoku says yes. Like this.
Yeah, I'm not using Ali, I'm using the regular one. The one for the 4 hours and less.
Oh shit, sorry, I forgot to say. Here like this, yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Let's short. I'm shorting with you.
Oh, you're really nice.
Um,
You
I, I,
trust this?
I trust the system. Together, we can do this. Actually, this is a very low risk trade. This is like a 3-7 trade here. Okay, and I'll show the one TP1, TP2, TP3.
That's
Okay.
that's what I did. That's
Yeah.
exactly what I did.
See how we're all synchronized now because we all use the same system.
Yeah, that, when I think about that, it is crazy for a bit.
Look, the same.
Like yeah, same actions, and we didn't even talked about it before.
No, we didn't like the exact same. Like we haven't.
Ah,
Like
I
we
said
would.
it on the Discord. I don't like, but
I had no signals. Oh here. And I said feeling scam pump, bro, and I didn't. Yeah, I did something. Ah, perfect. There you go. I see it. Compare his.
yeah,
To mine.
similar.
It's beautiful, huh? What the? And that's it. Now, are you paying attention? This is for Alpet and Whittleton. Like you guys want to know how to enter trades on Bybit, yeah?
No,
Well,
I'm on coupon.
regardless, okay. This is the most important part of the game. Is
By
the
the way,
yeah
just something to talk about later.
yeah
Uh, you remember Quantum from yesterday?
yeah.
Yeah, check it out on the 4 hours after you finish about the Bybit. Yeah, you can just save it for later. It's fine. I'm saying it now because I will forget it.
Okay. Next, here Q2M next. Keep on dropping some coins. Okay, look, listen. I'm gonna enter one trade right here, and I'm gonna do it right now because Ethereum and Bitcoin is green. Okay.
What trade you placing? Because I'm on YouTube, it's lagging.
Oh, go on Discord.
It's too many flicking around.
Ave. Don't drop on me yet. I'll be so fucking upset if this drops on stream, man. Like you don't even understand. This is a scalp, yeah. I'm risking 1%, yeah. Now this is very important. You want to know how to risk manage? I'll show you how to do it. Alpet needs to know how to risk manage, and Whittleton needs to know how to take TP. Here we go. We'll do this on 10x. First, we got to figure out what's 1% of 974. $9.70. Okay. What's a stop loss? 64.5. Or maybe here I'll put 64.9. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit. Like really, if it has a wider stop loss. Now I'm allowed to lose how much before? $9.70. Yes. Great. Remember this. At the moment I'm on. Okay. Okay.
You're
we
willing
happy?
to lose 20%.
No. I'm only risking 1% of the total portfolio. See how my stop loss didn't change from the chart? And I just keep calculating. Under 1%. Confirm. 61.1. Now we'll do the take profit after this. Confirm.
And one
Sell short.
1.5 of 974. It's 9.7. Yeah, that's 1%.
Yeah, so if I'm gonna get stopped out, I'm gonna get stopped out for 9.6 now, obviously because of the fee of 0.29. Man, this is so much cheaper to trade on Bybit than KuCoin. KuCoin's fees are so
Oh, yeah,
expensive.
oh, it's fucked, bro.
Yeah. So now we know how to enter. We're now in validation point based on the Ichimoku cloud on the hourly. It's thin, so look, see the trade is already going the other way. That's fine. We have a strong invalidation point. You can run this stop, and this stop. If the market pumps, that's great. I'll lose $9, but I have a boys. It was on negative $60, boys. Come on. Come on, let's go. So anyway, we're covering our swing long with a short here. That's okay. Now, this trade is a scalp, so we need to exit at 62.7 to make it risk-free. Okay,
I'm a bit
Middleton.
confused with the whole stop
The
loss.
what?
Oh, KuCoin's a bit weird.
Okay. What about the risk management part? Like, do you got that under control? I'll show you how to take this trade on KuCoin then.
So I put the limit at
I'll-
63.
I'll do the same.
60.
I'll do the same. I'll do the same trade on KuCoin. So I'm risking 2%. Okay. Futures. Yeah. Now we're teaching both the Bybit and KuCoin boys. It would have been nice if I was trading.
Because I'm like a bit confused where you're like, oh, I'm only risking 10, but
Like, no, I never look at this. Never look at this. Look at this, yeah? It's 19.13%, yeah? Watch what's going to happen if I change this leverage. Ave. Leverage to 5. Like, even 2. Or even 5. Even 3. Like wait, 5%. Look at this. Look what happens. Now my position is bigger. My value is 400. Now my margin is $100. See how that changed? 9.65. See how the ROI changed? But the loss never did. So like I said, forget about leverage. Forget about forget about 25. Forget about 10. Find a point which is safe so you won't get liquidated. That's why I always play with cross margin. If you have a hard stop. If you don't have a hard stop, you need to put on isolated. Anyway, let's change that to 10 again, because it looks nice for marketing purposes. Okay, now let that trade play. Now, KuCoin, same thing. 7.85. Now, if you're watching, this is AVE, yeah? Market execute. How many AVE? Change that. You can click here. You can't, no problem. Just change it to 10x leverage or whatever leverage you want, okay? As long as your account is risking only 1% to 2%. This is 7 point, just for hacks, it's 7.85. 7.85. That's a $499 position. Okay. Short stop loss 6.64.9. This is a scalp. You do not want to risk too much. 64.9. There, you can see 64.9. Cost 100, and then you do this. Fucking executed. Absolutely fantastic. Now you enter the position. Now I see what he's talking about. He can't see his stop loss. That's so shit. I hate KuCoin. 64.9. See, I'm risking $9. Can you see that, Peter? He's lagging. Whittleton?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm just showing him how to trade on KuCoin.
Yeah. I know.
Look at the fees. It's double. What the hell? Can you see that? Bybit it charged me 29 cents.
Wait, can you hear me now?
Yeah, what happened?
Ah, fuck, my voice thing didn't work.
Well, did you see me execute the trade, or do I have to exit this trade and enter again? It's gonna cost me $1, bro.
Nah. Wait, let me just put it in. So you're saying, okay, so you're selling right now it's at 63.76, and I want to do 1% of what I own, right?
Okay, give me a second.
Is it?
What is it? What's your portfolio? Like that
So
you're
that's
trading.
so it's 420 at the moment.
420 USDT, great. So we're only allowed to. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna exit this trade, the full amount, and I just cop myself estimated.
No, it's
loss
alright,
of-
just leave it.
No. Estimated. No, I don't want this trade here. I already got one on the other side. You know what? I'll leave it here. All right. And I gotta change this this margin. Oh,
Okay, so I'm on margin 10.
it doesn't matter if you're margin 10, if you're margin 5, as long. If I'm doing the math right, if you're half my size, basically your position should be around 3.5 Ave should be fine.
3.5 Aave, so that's like $22.
Doesn't matter what it is. It could be $10, it can be 10x, it could be 5x, but the total value should be around $500.
Right, so you're saying the cost should be at 500.
The value should be 500. See on the top here? Well, no, your value should be around 250. Yeah? Can you see that?
I'm on the mobile. I don't see 250.
The screen? Can you see
Yeah,
this?
so no, it doesn't have that on the mobile. So I have limit,
Oh,
amount, quantity,
yeah,
and it
just-
shows me cost.
yes, the cost should be around the cost, it should cost you. It depends on what leverage you are. If you're on 5x, it should cost you around $50. If you're on 10x, it should cost you $25 to enter that trade.
Yeah,
Risking
yeah.
only $4. That's it.
When you're saying risking, are you saying the stop loss is
No.
$4?
The stop loss
I'm
is
confused.
fixed. The stop loss is always the same. The stop loss has to be 64.9. That's the max pain.
Okay, so it's,
Or you can even go 65.1. I want to go have a guess on how big what the stop loss is for Whittleton. Let's see if I know him well enough. Is your
no,
stop
but it
loss
doesn't make sense though. It's 0% stop loss.
what?
That doesn't make sense. Oh wait, no. So that's take profit 64.9. So it's
Is it-
that's 10%.
The stop loss figure, the value is, you put it in like this: stop loss USDT 60, between anywhere you could play it safe. You can do 65, you could do 65.1, you could
Wait,
64.9.
let's start again. So you're saying I should only risk 1%, right? So if my
Oh.
cost is 45, then my risk is $4.50. Is that what you're saying?
If your whole account
Okay, so my whole account is 424. So you're
US,
saying the risk then, yeah. So the risk is $4.24.
yes, if the price goes to 65.6, okay, whatever value, as long as it's a bit higher. So if you look at this chart here, okay,
I'm getting
Yes.
confused.
don't be confused. It's nice and slow.
I think you're going a bit all over the place.
No. Here's the trade, okay? Do you see the trade on screen?
Yeah, so let's just start with price. So price is whatever the market's at the moment, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Alright.
so
Now
63 points. So it's
before
easier
you-
to do numbers.
Right, before you enter, right? Before you enter, you need to figure out your margin because you're playing futures, yeah?
Yeah.
What is the value that you enter inside here, inside your, how much AVE are you shorting? All right, how much AVE are you shorting? That,
Isn't it just all based down to cost at the end?
no, the value. What the
Yeah.
cost,
So if my
the cost
value
will be
is
different. It depends. Are you on 10x or are you on 5x? Do 10x.
yeah. So if I'm on 10x, right,
Mm-hmm.
and I want my cost to be $50, then that would be.
Take 2% risk. Take 2% risk. Okay.
But when you say 2% risk, so 2% of my portfolio, so that's $10.
If the
But
price
what is
goes
the quantity?
here. The quantity is what's
I get the risk part, which is like how much I'm losing, but how much
yes.
is quantity though?
Yeah, I guess you have to calculate that yourself. I mean, I calculated it like 4 times before. I'm not really good at that bit, like figuring out what the margin size is. I just base it on because that's a variable that changes, isn't it? But your risk is never change. It's always 1% or 2% of the total portfolio if it's an altcoin. It's the only way that you're gonna
I'm just
survive.
gonna put market and then
Oh, no, no,
and
no,
then
no,
work it
no,
out
no, no,
afterwards.
no. And then how would you know? Like that you're gonna get charged. You're gonna get charged for like fees, bro, for putting too many. Like, you get me? Like my stop loss right now.
But now I missed it. It was at. But that's I still don't get how you're calculating things. So if I put the
I don't
price,
know. I don't know how to do it on. I don't know how to do it on the phone, man. Like honestly. Okay, let me grab my phone. Let me grab my phone. 1 second. Let me grab my phone, my G.
so 63.6, I'm gonna put $50 on this trade.
Whittleton, are you on Bybit? Are you on KuCoin by any chance?
Nope, I'm on Bybit.
Oh dear. How do I? Okay, how do I do this? Okay, now I'm on Aave right now.
Yeah.
Aave perp / USDT. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, price market. Now, click the circle TPN SL. Oh, you can't. You have to put a random number first. Let's say 5.
Well, I have 63.6 and I have 8 units. Is that well? Actually, everyone, tell me what is the way to figure out the calculations?
Give me a second.
Because right,
Can you fix your mic for 2 seconds?
yeah, it's
I'll show you. All right. First, you go to market and you press 1. Aha, I figured it out. You there, Wilton? I figured it out, bro.
What's that?
So what Al needs to do, yeah, is you go to sell, right? You go to market, right? And then you put the value that you want. Let's say 3 AV, right? And then you click that circle button, TPN SL, and then you put 65.6, for instance. 65.6. Okay. Now that would ask me before I trigger this. There's a calculator. No wonder why he's finding it so complicated.
Yeah, there's no value. It's all fucking. You gotta put in the calculation.
You know, at the top of the top left, top right hand corner of Aave Perp USDT, there's three dots. And then you click
Yeah.
calculator. Okay, if you want to sell short, your entry price is last price. You click, and then you go to size. Let's go 3 Aave. Right. Then you click. No, don't look at liquidation price, close price. Nah, bro, this is so shit. Fuck, I hate KuCoin. I'm so sorry, bro. Oh my god, how is this so retarded? Like, preferences, give me a second, let me check preferences. Position, general, notification, order triggered, order executed, order disabled. Confirmation, limit order, market order. Make sure when you go to preferences, you go to notification and you click confirmation and for market order. Okay, let me see if this works now. See if this works now. 3 Aave, and then you sell short TP 65 point. No, my one was 64.9. Right. Aha. Nah, it still doesn't show me shit. I'm sorry, bro. This app sucks. This app sucks. No wonder why you can't calculate it. I can't believe.
Found a strange coin. I found a strange coin.
What coin?
Clay.
Tell me.
Clay. Klay.
Oh, by the way,
Oh man, I missed the short. Fuck, I should have just went market.
No, relax. It's only dropped like 0.2%. You haven't missed yet. Relax, it can still move up. Can you give me a second? How to calculate margin? How to calculate margin on KuCoin? Yeah. On the computer, it shows you, bro. You see, look, right? It's so shit. Look, see, right? On the computer, it shows you. I don't have a stop loss yet. Now I'll put here 60. What's your stop loss, Whittleton? I'm on 64.9. Is it safe?
Let me just.
I'm happy to I'm happy to extend it a little bit. I mean,
I aimed for a small scalp, in and out.
yeah, me too.
Nothing special, so let me.
Fuck, look at Ether. Looks like shit, man. Wow. But Ether is moving sideways anyway. Like, it hasn't even broken down completely. Is there a way that Alpet can trade on KuCoin without being KYC'd? Because I'm KYC'd as fuck right now, bro.
My mic is working. Can you hear me?
Yeah, hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Tell me about Clay, bro.
Clay. Search it. Klay.
You know,
Clay.
are we going long here, going short? You know what? Don't tell me yet.
Uh,
Oh, okay. Haha. Let me start drawing some lines, bro. Let me start drawing some boxes and lines and shit. Right? Um, if you're doing a little bit of range trade there, do that there. Could be a potential. Let's see. Now, two scenarios. Okay, and I want to see if we're synchronized yet. Because once we're synchronized, man, we're on 24/7. I got you when I sleep, and you got me when and you got me when I sleep, and I got you when you sleep. That's it. What do you think?
I had the idea of longing it only. I didn't thought about shorting. I
Oh,
thought longing it to the cloud and back.
yeah. And that's exactly where I'm at with you. But maybe like this. I mean, even if it's now, like, what's the risk? What's the risk? Oh, it's a bit too high for me, this risk. But if it's a scalp, like this, maybe, like this, like this, like this, like this. There we go. With DCA, maybe this one will be good. Do you know how to DCA yet, Whittleton?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. So imagine you're buying spot and you're DCAing, but in a very short time frame. There we go. This is another long that we can take. Man, how many charts were you watching when I was doing the Ave trade? God damn. Awaiting triggers long.
You have for scalping. You have MKR in the 4 hours. 8 hours looking good also. Maybe
For
big short after that.
short.
Now it's like you can scalp long, I think, and then we'll see how it behaves up in the cloud. But now it can be a nice long if it's approved with a few candles there. Maybe
Like
above the cloud, inside.
like this. This scalp 2.7. You know, like even with 0.66%, like we could still trade this as a scalp. Ready? Ready? I'll show you something freaky. Ever played on this level before? Yeah, there's a bull market everywhere, bro. You just have to look for it. This is strong.
Yeah,
This is strong. You see? You drop.
yeah.
Strong. Weak. Actually, that's a bad drawing. Strong. Weak. So we long shit like this. Right? Like we go long there. We go long here on this little thing here, like this. So like that. You can long this. And if you really want to be brave, like this, maybe. And acceptance below. We just cut it. Acceptance below this yellow box. So oh shit, I deleted my Ichimoku. What the fuck? Here we go. Did you manage to figure it out? Oh shit, fuck, my voice chat doesn't work.
I'm checking my chart, checking some things that I want to make sure that I put this right.
You're getting like really fucking good, bro. Really.
I hope so, fam. I hope so.
Fuck it. You know, like your movements are very quick, man. This is a quick scalp here with 4.5%.
Yeah, that's afraid. Like this is scary. Like I'm afraid I'm doing it too quickly. Like I'm taking my time, but sometimes I like pull
No,
the
no, no.
trigger. I think it's too early.
What for, man?
Sometimes.
Like what? Like there's nothing to if you like something, take it. Here's first take profit. Okay. There's a bull market everywhere, bro. You just have to look for it. Now that we have established this skill together, now watch us dominate this market, yeah? And the reason why I'm so confident in that is that we can have two people chart at the same time looking for coins. We're scalping together. Let's say you found that Aave trade, and then you found this trade while I was teaching Peter before. Look at that, bro.
Yeah.
That's TP1, TP2, TP3. Right? And just remember, we can always use the same rule every time we play. Okay? Now, this is a 3% move, yeah? Pretty small movement. Would you agree? 3%? We do that all the time, right? But get this, bro.
Yeah, it's small.
Yeah? But guess what? It's a 0.47% risk. This is a 6.97% R trade. So, how do you do this?
What do you mean?
How do we do this trade? I'll show you on Bybit. MKR, wasn't it? Or was this Clay? MKR?
MKR.
Volume decreasing as well on the selling. Let me see the high time frame. Yeah. It's on support right now on the hourly too. Look.
I think those are shit coins. I don't like. I'm not familiar with them at all.
This is now a 1.85 hour trade, but if we just do this on the hourly, one hourly like this maybe. Quick scalp. But the quickest scalp will be this. Wait for this to hit. Like this.
Yeah.
And if it goes like this, right? I don't know if I'm gonna take this trade right now. I'm a little bit like at least TP1 like that. I think like this. No, it should go like this, right? But it shouldn't do this. If it does this, then we're invalidated. So we'll see what happens to this trade. We're in now.
Yeah, for sure.
We'll see.
Yeah, I'm not rushing into those shitcoin trades.
No way. No fucking way. We don't even want to lose 1 cent. Look at that. You made me $1.89, bro. And on you made me $1.89 on KuCoin just for being online today, which I'm grateful of. And then you made me $1.72 on Aave. You done this trade, fam. I'm just here confirming your trades. I'm like a co-pilot. I'm a co-pilot. That's all I am.
Glad to have you aboard, fam.
Haha. Let's take this ship to the moon, fam.
Yeah, slowly and steady. H bar driving me crazy. H bar is driving me crazy.
And look at this. And if like, are we in a rush to take this trade, fam? Look at this shit coin. Yeah. Oh man, this is so fun trading together. I've never had this before, you know?
This is my first time either. I don't have anyone who's trading with me besides you.
Me too. We're,
This
we're,
is
we,
the
we used to be fam. We used to be losing together. Now we used to be losing by yourself. Now we're losing together. Losing or winning, it doesn't matter, right?
no. It just makes the the experience more fun.
It is. It is. I can't believe that we just dropped on BTC yesterday and I had a long and I wasn't even stressed out. I was like, ha ha ha. That's
What's
funny.
wrong with fat, fam? What's
Huh?
wrong with fat? Fat,
Fetch coin.
fat, yeah,
Yo,
fat coin.
what the fuck is this, fam? Exit liquidity pump. I'm shorting that. Give me this fucking short, fam. Look, it's just following the cloud, fam. You know what? How about this? It's clear that we have broken out of this range. Yes? Okay? And it's potential. There is a chance that we might not be able to reclaim this. Okay? We need to make a plan in which our long fails, if that makes sense. Okay? So we need to start covering the swing long. Okay? We need to start covering this swing long with smaller trades. So now I'm just chilling. Like I'm just chilling in Bitcoin here. I don't even have a stop loss. What stop loss? Yeah. I need something. I need to find a coin which I can buy and chill, fam. Like this clay trade, fam. Like if I can just if this moves 8%, I'll be grateful, because I'm probably going to buy some in spot. I need something to buy for my spot challenge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a drink. Are you still gonna be on for at least 15-20 minutes?
I think I will go like in a few minutes.
Okay,
I will go off to
no
walk
problem.
a dog, to
Yeah.
train my leg a little bit, and then I will be back on the chance again.
Okay, when will you be on the chance? Up when I sleep, or?
I don't know. It will be like it's 5 in the evening at my place.
I see. Oh, sushi
7
just
I'm
crossed.
sitting down.
What was that?
I'm sitting down and 7.
Okay.
2 hours. 2 hours.
In basically during the 4-hour close. In time for the
It is?
4-hour close, yeah.
Let's see.
We need to reevaluate. We need to reevaluate our sushi, by the way.
All right.
Reevaluate,
sushi.
not close it. Reevaluate.
No. I'm not scared of it. It's running.
Yeah, me too.
Fine.
I'm just saying we just have to look at it together,
Of
and
course,
that's it.
yeah.
There's no harm in looking, but right now this is like this. If this
You will be
closes,
on it?
what was that?
You will be on and stuff?
In 2 hours? Yeah. I'm gonna get off the stream the same time as you. And I'm gonna be taking a trade. Maybe on Discord only, or maybe on just on WhatsApp. We'll have a chat, and I'll be looking for coins to buy on spot.
Nice.
That's it. Just $500, which I made money yesterday. Yeah, this sushi, I'm just relaxing this guy.
Yeah, let him sit down.
Yeah, let him do
Cook
whatever.
himself.
Oh, I need to. Yeah, man, do your thing. Walk your dog, and have a nice evening. I'll be on, bro.
You as well, fam. Thank you.
Take it easy.
Um,
You know,
I
think
just looked at the ether chart and it looks like
it looks
I don't know.
it looks like shit. Oh, the daily looks good.
Daily, yeah, daily looks awesome, but like on the short term, it's not. Well, we have the daily, so sweet.
Yeah, we'll see what happens in 4 hours. In 2 hours. Okay.
Yeah. Okay,
All right.
so in 2 hours I'll message you.
Yeah, I'll see. I'll let you know what I do in 2 hours. Okay.
All right, fam.
See you, bro.
Have a good one.
You too. Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, that's enough for today's stream. We got active Ave short taken live. I'm gonna be looking for a little bit more. 4 more minutes. We've been on for almost 1 hour 20 minutes. So let's go. Let's look. Already have our Bitcoin long stop losses down here. If we get there, great. At least we'll you know, maybe sushi will do this. We'll see. Just chilling. Damn. This short went perfect. Oh, far out. Look at this. Yo, you back? Oh, your mic's not working. What happened? Okay. Yeah, man. Let me know whatever you need. Just shout out. I'm still gonna be here, but there's a couple of triggers that's gonna happen if you miss the Ave. Short. That's fine. I mean, it's not really. It's whatever at the moment. On the 4 hourly. Probably gonna add one more short to cover for my longs. GTC looks like a short here, but that's dangerous. So BNB, nope. Matic is long. Quantum is short. Like, see, the thing is, yeah, KuCoin's fucked, bro. I'm so sorry, man. Like, it's just I don't know. Like, I wanna teach you, but I can't teach you something I don't know. Like, even I'm having trouble. That's why I only trade like KuCoin, right? On my main account. Yeah, like whatever. Probably gonna exit this trade while we'll see. Just leave it there. Just risking 2%. I already have 2 trades open. XRP. XRP is still short, bro. If you wanna take that. XRP is short as fuck. XRP is short, bro. Yeah. Hell yeah. XRP is short as fuck, bro. You wanna see on the hourly? It's disgusting. Like, four, 6, 6, 7, my man. Yeah, that's the invalidation point, right? Look, I don't know how you're gonna calculate it. Maybe you gotta do your own maths. You know, you gotta get out that data analyst out of you, bro. But this is how it's gonna do it. Like, if the price goes here, bro. If the price goes there. If the price goes there, right? You're not allowed to lose you're not allowed to lose more than $4. Simple. I don't know what the so 3% move, right? So if it was a $100 position, just some quick maths. Okay, if it was $100 position, you would have you're only allowed to pull 1%. So divided that by 3, right? So $30 position is gonna get you to lose that 1% basically if it goes there. It's $1, if that makes sense. 1%. Well, you can lose 3% if you want, doesn't really matter. As long as you don't lose more than 5%. My risk tolerance is 5%. 5% risk. XRP is short. This hasn't even dropped yet. Like, what's 4 hourly looking like? Like, yeah, that's max pain. When this cloud breaks, just that is 6%. So might want to get in. Might want to get in that shortly. Dusk it's short. Oh yeah, bro, that's a short, baby. That's a big short, baby. Like that. That's a big short. That's a nice short. Like, even if it was that, that's too high. The risk. Just gonna see what I can do here. Dusk. Okay. Have that open here. Dusk. Waiting triggers for long. Oh shit, no. Wrong chart. There we go. Again, these are probably ideas, okay? I'm just posting it in Traders Alpha. Quant, NG, XRP, LTC. Man, fuck, LTC is a short. Yeah, man, that's a short. careful with XRP if you're still there, Peter. You gotta wait. Like on the hourly, it looks nice, but I don't want you to get chopped, bro. I'll show you on the 4 hour. Okay, let me read this. I think I worked out how to calculate the risk. Entry price minus exit price equals X. The amount you want to risk is divided by X. So XRP, yeah. Bro, you are a beast, man. Like, try it out, but just be careful with XRP, yeah? I just want to show you what it looks like on the 4 hourly. This is demand. Okay, if this 4 hourly closes like this and it opens here and people bid, this could easily go the other way, but it would probably do this depending on what BTC does. I just want you to be careful and you don't risk your you know, selling your house or whatever. Like, I'm just saying, you might be squeezed. Just be careful. Like, there's these short here. There's a short here on dusk. You funny cunt. Look, there's a long here, and there's a short here. There's a short here. There's a short here. Like, take what you want. Like, take the one with a thick, like with a fat cloud above it, like that. Like, take this quantum shock. 3.95 risk. The like the movement, or that's gone. For quantum, yeah, 2.7. Yeah, just calculate that. Like, I think this is a nice trade, but just be careful. Like, be careful in general. Like, the market can go either way. That's what I'm saying, my bro. Like, I don't want you to like bet the house and fucking go big, you know. Like, there's one here that if you don't have the time, if you're just chilling with your friends and whatnot, like, even if the market goes green, like, so like Polkadot is gonna have a very hard time in reclaiming this. Like, I just want you to think like that, yeah. Like, look at this, okay? Look at this. That's a short. Absolutely wait for more confirmation. There's no rush. There's no rush. You're not missing out on a trade. Nah. If you're still on at 2 o'clock, or just do this polka dot. We'll do this polka dot. Look. Right? If Bitcoin runs, okay? If Bitcoin runs from here, it'll probably, this is what Polkadot will do, but the volume is not so big that it could take out this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resistance. Yeah, makes sense. So what are you aiming for here? What are you aiming for here? I'll show you. You can aim for this TP1. Okay, take profit 1. Take profit 2. Take profit 3. Have a laugh. It's 19.76%, but I was shorting from here. So, like, this is how it works. Just, it goes there, and then watch it, like, and then I'll do this, right? Should I put entry point at the resistance? Now, there's 2 ways you can do this. With a 4.38% wider stops, right? You need to learn how to do wide stops, straight up, right? So you need to learn not to go balls deep straight away. Nice and easy. You enter here. You enter like if you're swinging, feel free to take, let's say, 1% here. And then another 1% here. That way, your trade entry will be godlike. It will look like this, like a mad cunt. Exactly how the SXP trade happened. That I showed you at the beginning of the stream. %12 doesn't matter, right? There we go. It takes time, and then you buy here, and then you buy again here. Same trade, but with what was it before? With Polkadot. Polkadot. It's Polkadot. There, Polkadot. Fucking Aave is looking like shit, my bro. Look at this. This guy, 2 weeks training with me, already calling trades out on stream like a mad cunt. My bro, look at that. On stream, he made this trade, but you know, we'll see. 61.1. $61.1. 61.1. Now do what you gotta do, okay? Now you know how to enter trades and shit. Bitcoin is I have a swing long open, so I need to cover it with shorts, so not really too overly concerned. Now this is a nice trade here if it hits. Let's see. Sushi. Go bro, I'm just gonna leave the stream open and I'm gonna play a little bit of Nintendo Switch while I'm waiting for the close. Hit me up on WhatsApp if you need. What the fuck happened with Bell here? Jesus Christ, what is this chart, bro?